Khan restaurant.
Yes.
Our food, taste, services, how you can say?
So actually, first I'm Chinese from the Wear Cloud company, which is Alibaba subsidiary, one of Alibaba subsidiary in Pakistan. My colleagues today recommend this restaurant. Said your food is special, and also the lamb is very juicy and delicious. Yes, but after I taste, I think all of Chinese and our colleagues very lucky.
How
So
about services?
good, very
Ambience? Ambience?
everything good. Very, how to say, wonderful, and also privacy. We will come to your restaurant again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. आपने ताहिर खान रेस्टोरेंट को विजिट किया सर. आपको हमारी सर्विस फूड
सर्विस सबसे बेहतर थी, खाना उससे भी बेहतर था, और आपका इखलाक उससे भी अच्छा. बहुत मज़ा आया हमें. बहुत हमारा एक कंपनी का डिनर था और सब लोग बहुत खुश थे. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.